stepping into this home transformation that is not just a change in decor, but a reflection of cultural memory and personal evolution. Let's take a look. Designer Alexandra Kaehler approached the interiors with a respectful yet forward-thinking eye. In spaces where time had left outdated marks, such as the orange-stained woodwork in the living room, she used glossy white paint not to erase, but to enhance. The result was a brighter, more vibrant space that celebrated the original detailing while adapting to modern tastes. Rather than stripping the home of its history, Kaehler's interventions honored it, using contemporary finishes to bring the craftsmanship forward into the present. In the kitchen, the design team resisted the all-white trend, opting instead for black cabinetry that created depth and drama. A veined marble backsplash added a note of elegance, while brass fixtures tied everything together with a sense of vintage sophistication. The French range became the centerpiece, connecting the space to the family's European inspiration both functionally and aesthetically. It was a kitchen that felt storied and personal, blending practicality with artistry. The interplay of bold design choices and natural light was key throughout the home. In the sunroom, for example, the abundance of windows and skylights made it the perfect place to experiment with rich color. deep green paint on the limited wall space allowed the room to feel cozy and atmospheric, like a tucked-away retreat. The decision to turn it into a cocktail lounge-inspired area gave it an intentional, adult character. Drawing from their years in Europe, the family sought to recreate the atmosphere they had come to love, layering old-world elegance with refreshed modernity. The house, designed in 1915 by Edwin Hill Clark, provided a rich architectural foundation that naturally leaned into a European sensibility. Features like barrel ceilings, original boiserie, and dark wood flooring lent immediate character and gravitas.